Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Baye Baye. This delightful Filipino delicacy is surprisingly simple to make, requiring just a few key ingredients. We'll start by gathering our toasted glutinous rice flour, freshly grated coconut, sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. The quality of your ingredients, especially the coconut, truly makes a difference in the final taste and texture of your Baye Baye. Let's get started with the preparation. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to combine them. In a spacious mixing bowl, gently incorporate the toasted glutinous rice flour, the sweet grated coconut, and the sugar. Don't forget that tiny pinch of salt. It really helps to balance and elevate the overall sweetness. Use your hands or a spoon to mix everything thoroughly until you achieve a uniform, crumbly mixture. This step is crucial for ensuring every bite of your Baye Baye is perfectly flavored. With our mixture ready, let's move on to shaping our Baye Baye. This is where the magic happens. Slowly add water, just 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing it in until the mixture is moist enough to hold together when pressed. Be careful not to add too much water, as we want a firm, not sticky, consistency. Once it's pliable, firmly press the mixture into your desired shapes, typically small discs or squares. You can use a mold, or simply your hands for a more traditional feel. And there you have it, your homemade Baye Baye is complete. This sweet and chewy treat is best enjoyed fresh, so feel free to dig in right away. If you happen to have any leftovers, which is unlikely, simply store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They should stay delicious for about 2 to 3 days. Baye Baye is a fantastic snack or a unique dessert that truly captures the essence of Filipino flavors. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.